Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to run Java code in Cursor AI code editor tool. First of all, you need to first install Java JDK. So I will I will go to this official website and I will select Windows since I'm using the Windows machine, and then I will download this MSI installer. Click download, okay, and it will start the installation process. I already have this file, so I'm going to cancel the download process. Let me open the downloaded file, okay, uh, and then I'm going to install it in my C directory. Okay, this is where I will install. Okay, now I will just save this path over here. Let me just save this path because I'll be requiring this path when I will set environment variable. Okay, click next and uh, click yes, and it will start installing the SDK in my computer. You just need to wait until this is done and dusted. Okay, this has been completed. Okay, fine, close. After that I will go to the environment variable, edit the system environment variable, and I will go to the path. So I will set this path for all users. Okay, so and new, and I will go over here. Let me just go to the path, select the bin, just copy and paste. So this is what I will select. Okay, and okay. Now the environment variable is set. I will open the command prompt and I will type the command java dash dash version, and I will press enter. Look, the latest version of Java has been installed. Okay, it is configured. So now I will open the Cursor AI code editor tool. So I will open this application, and after that I will create a Java program. But first, before that, I need to open a folder. Okay, so in order to open a folder, so what I need to do is just go to open project, and I will go to my D directory, and I will name this folder as Java program, and let me just select folder, and inside this folder I will create a Java file, and I will name this file as hello.java. okay, and I will paste this code in my program. So let me just change the name to Java program. The class name should be exactly same as the file name, so it should be hello. Okay, hello, fine, and let me just copy and paste it over here. So this is my program. Now I want to run this program. So in order to run this program, I will go to the new terminal. Okay, I will type the command. First I need to compile this program. Okay, so let me just change to hello.java, which is the name of my file. In order to compile this code, I need to type the command java c hello.java, which is the name of my program, and I will press enter. Okay, look, hello.class file is created. After that, I need to run this code. First, let me just try java and name of class file, and just copy and paste it over here. Let's see what error I will get. So I'm getting this error. So in order to fix this, as an alternate, I will use this command java dash cp dot hello. Okay, just copy and paste it over here, and in this way you'll able to run the Java program, and in this way you'll get a message hello world. Okay, I hope you have gone through the process of running Java program in Cursor AI code editor tool. At the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.